afternoon, this is Melissa with the Stock Swoosh, and I'm going to do a market update. Today is October 29th, and this is brought to you by the Stock Swoosh. I thought we would look at the market today. The stock market was actually closed today as a result of weather, and will be closed tomorrow as a result of weather. So the market's taking a little rest, and that's okay. The last time we looked at the market was a couple of days ago, and I said I thought we could possibly come all the way into here, and lo and behold, we absolutely did. I thought we were going to hold at 65. Okay, do you see where I got this number here? 65. It's an area, remember. 65.18, 65.23, 65. It was down here on Friday. This is Friday's bar. We went down. We actually went down below 65 and then bounced, recovered ourselves, did a topping tail, and look where we closed. And we were nice snug in there. Nice snug in there. So we opened right on here, rallied up, couldn't hold it, came back down in. Look at what we did. Let's look at this 15 minute. Let's look at the 15. Okay, this was the open on Friday. The first thing we did was rally up. We couldn't hold it. We came in hard all the way down into 12 o'clock reversal time, and then we went under that $65 mark into this bar here into 12 o'clock, and we bounced. This is where we created the topping tail here, and then we bounced up into the close, went up and booped right over the high of the day a little bit, and then came in on the close. And right here, look at this. Look at that. It's almost a straight line. Beautiful. So because of the way that we traded on Friday, which was open, rally up, hard drop down, bounce, and ding over the high of the day, even where we closed, I still think this is a nice, beautiful move that's telling us that now we're going to have a bounce. Now we're going to have the bounce that we could have had. We really are having the bounce exactly where we should have it. I didn't think we'd come down this far, but we did it in a fluid movement and then bounced right up. So it's fine. We are going to hold here for now. Unless for some reason on Wednesday, if the market reopens on Wednesday, it doesn't close Wednesday, unless we gap down under this, I believe that we will open somewhere between 65.18 and 65.62. We could gap up over 65.63, and that would be a nice, basically, daily buy setup. A sloppy one at that, because we're no longer in an uptrend on the daily chart, but it basically would be a daily buy setup on the 200 period moving average, and we can rally back all the way up to this area of resistance into here. Whether or not we'll retest this area here, we don't know. If we retest this area here, it'll show some level of strength, but we could still hold here and then come in. Or we could do what I said a while back, which is go back all the way up here, hold, and go over this area. We could end the year in a bullish uptrend with the market. We've got 2 months left. If we cannot get over this area here, which is a very, very strong area of price action that's happened here, if we can't get over this area here, then we are going to probably end the year in a downtrend. So we'll have to see what happens. I think we definitely hold right here, though. I mean, look at this. This is really nice. We just came in a lot. But look, that's all that we did. It really wasn't scary. It seemed like it was scary for some people here with this drop and this drop, and it was a nice day it was a nice couple of days and weeks to trade shorts, that's for sure, because we got nice big moves in shorts. But really, all we did is come into this area here, and we're holding exactly the way we're supposed to. Let's quick look at the SPY, actually, because I didn't see how we closed on Friday in the SPY. Let's see. Okay. Let's just check this out. Oh, there we have it. I mean, SPY could come all the way down here. If it does, it's going to pull the market all the way down. I think we might hold here based on the look that I looked at in the Qs, and this is an area in the SPY, and it seems to be holding. Right here, 2, 3, 4 days, it's trying to hold itself here. This is an area. This is an area in here of support that we should hold. The Qs have been weaker than the SPYs. Therefore, the SPYs could come in more down to another area of major support down here. I think that we're going to rally though. Looking at this. SPY's trying to hold 1, 2, 3, 4 days here. It's trying to do it. Let's look at the 60. $140.39. I guess we're going to have to see how we open, how we actually open up. This is a 15-minute chart. How we open on Wednesday if we reopen on Wednesday. See, all of this in here was the couple of days that we were trying to hold. Look at it. It's just sideways. This is a clear sideways trend here. We're trying to hold itself. The market is trying so hard to hold in here. Look, we're open, fall, rally. Open, fall, rally. Open, fall, rally. Every time the market's tried to go down here, it can't do it. But in that same regard, it's falling every time we open. Falling every time we gap up and open. Falling every time we gap up and open. It's like a pattern now since 1, 2, 3, 4 days. I don't know. This could go on for a couple more days, I guess. If we gap above this area, we're going to have a lift. If we gap below this area, we could drop more because the SPY has room to drop on this daily chart, whereas the Qs, I think, is going to hold themselves. But if the SPY drops, then it's going to pull the Qs down. In an ideal world, I'd like the Qs to hold that area, the SPYs to hold this area, rally back into an area of resistance, and then come in and reset up a daily sell setup in the daily chart. If we're going to keep the trend intact, which is to go keep the turn in the downward direction. We're just going to have to wait and play it out and see how we end up trading once the market opens back up on Wednesday. This is Melissa with thestockswoosh.com. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. Have a great day.